Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you two interesting grid method. With this grid method, you can create any letter by your own, so watch till the end carefully. Let's get started. First, take the ellipse tool, and draw a circle in the middle of the artboard. Then copy it to the right, and make 6 copy of it, by press Ctrl and D. Then copy it to down, and make 6 copy again. Rotate it to 90 degrees. And scale it down. Then make the grid 4 copy. That's great. Now zoom in a bit the first grid, select all the circle, take the shape builder tool, swap the color from stroke to fill, and draw just like me. First we draw letter G. That's awesome. Now let's create another letter. Basically we use this type of logo in tech industry. Draw carefully so that no line can be overlapped. Do the same with every grid. Now we will draw letter S. That's perfect. And now we will create technology type letter T. With this grid method you can create any letter. Now delete all the grid, and let's show you another method. Take the ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Select it, go to Edit, Copy, again go to Edit and paste it front, and scale it up. Set the stroke size 4 points. Then select both circle, copy it to the right, and make 3 copy. And then copy it down, and make another 3 copy. Select all the circle and scale it down. Then take the shape builder tool, and start unite the shape, just like me. Okay, that's perfect. Now move the logo to a side, and delete the grid. Set the stroke to none. Now it's time to give some practice based on it. Open the Illustrator software now, and make this grid by yourself, and explore some unique letter. And then post it to your Instagram account with the hashtag Vect+. I will review it. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, do practice more and more. Have a great day.